Hudson Bearings is proud to add the full line of TurboSockets to its innovative family of products. We're here with Gene from Hudson, and he's going to show us just how easy it is to use the TurboSocket.
Well, Katie, what I've got for us today to show you is I've got our wheel removal set here. I've got a small 1/4-inch drive set, 3/8 drive set, 9 pieces. And then we got a couple of 22-piece sets in the fractional and metric sizes. Then over here, a couple of the install sockets of the larger sizes for install and removal. And then I thought I'd show you how we do the removal of some of those difficult and challenging fasteners. Okay, Katie, here's the first one I wanted to show you. This is an example of a stud removal, as you talked about. And this is good for those times when these are buried and you can't get a pipe wrench or something on it and the threads are so damaged you want to try to get them out. Some folks will put these on a hand drill or something like that, a cordless drill, to speed up the process with a more of a power tool, but once you get it out. Alright, Katie, the second one I wanted to show you is a standard socket head cap screw, and that's this one right here. This one's not stripped out, but it's the most common one that gets stripped out in most shops and hobby shops. So. TurboSocket didn't have any problem. Another example of a traditional socket head cap screw that gave me fits here, and I couldn't get it out with the hex key. So. A socket head cap screw that's stripped out and a little more difficult to get to. Katie, the next one I wanted to show you is a standard slotted head screw, a little custom screw there. And this brings us into our smaller drive, the 1/4-inch drive set, which we feel like we were the pioneers in the smaller sets of the TurboSocket removal sockets. There was no way that the flathead screw was going to take that out. The screwdriver was going to take that out. This is a traditional type pipe fitting right here. This will have the flats on it normally, but they're stripped out, and we're going to use the TurboSocket to take it off. There you go. Alright, Katie, and probably the most difficult, in my opinion, to get out is a stripped out slotted head or Phillips head button head screw that's got a flush mount to it like this. TurboSocket proves to be no challenge at all for that. And there you go. This machine also had some stripped out grease fittings on it that I couldn't get out with a traditional wrench. Alright, Katie, the next one I wanted to show you is a standard carriage bolt, and it takes us up to our larger size, the next size up, the 1/2-inch drive socket. Very difficult to get off if somebody were to have a nut or something on the other side and it's a blind hole. TurboSocket says. There's no slot or anything in the screw, no way to get it out of there.
With a focus on excellence and a dedication to quality, Hudson Bearings continues to offer their customers innovative products and solutions.